When it comes to food, prepare to be amazed by some surprising facts. For instance, did you know that while tomatoes might seem like a vegetable, they're actually a fruit? Nature has a way of keeping us guessing. And did you ever wonder how many seeds are packed inside an average strawberry? Well, strap in because it's around 200 seeds. Now let's dive into more mind-boggling food facts. You might think oranges are the holy grail of vitamin C, but wait till you hear about the kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit actually contains twice as much vitamin C as oranges. So the next time you need an immunity boost, reach for a kiwi if you're a fan of milk and its calcium goodness. Here's a surprise for you. Half a cup of figs contains just as much calcium as half a cup of milk. Nature sure knows how to pack a punch in unexpected ways. Now, lemons, they're not just for making lemonade or adding a tangy twist to your dishes. Their high acid content actually allows them to kill bacteria, making them a natural asset for cleaning. Who knew lemons could be so versatile? Speaking of citrus fruits, oranges deserve a spot on our fascinating facts list too. They contain antioxidants that help combat free radicals, the troublemakers that can damage our skin and accelerate aging. So bite into an orange and let it work its magic on your skin from the inside out. When it comes to blackberries, we bet you didn't know they were once used to create vibrant navy blue and indigo dyes for clothes. Mother Nature's palette never fails to surprise. If you're impatient waiting for those pineapples to ripen, here's a clever tip. Stand them upright on their leafy ends, and you'll speed up the process. Now you can enjoy that sweet tropical goodness even sooner. Now brace yourself for the ultimate plot twist. Bananas, that delightful and convenient snack, are not actually a fruit. They belong to the herb family. Mother Nature strikes again with her tricks. Finally, let's talk about the undisputed champion mangoes. They have won the hearts of people far and wide, making them the world's most popular and #1 fruit with their sweet and juicy flavor. It's no wonder mangoes reign supreme. These incredible facts serve as a reminder of just how fascinating the world of food can be. Nature's wonders never cease to surprise us. Whether it's a tomato pretending to be a vegetable, a powerhouse kiwi bursting with vitamin C, or the multitasking capabilities of lemons. So next time you enjoy your favorite foods, take a moment to appreciate the incredible stories they hold. Bon appétit!